Hello and welcome to our tutorial videos. When you first log in, you'll see the welcome screen. On this welcome screen, we provide access to a wide range of crucial information right at your fingertips. You can see that we have 404 services in operation, and we can click the little icon here to actually view those services. We can see that we currently have one support ticket, and we can click on this icon to view the support ticket. On the right hand side, we have some contact information if you need to call us or reach out in other fashions. We've also got a trend of your billing information for the account, and you can click here to view your billing details. If you have any overdue invoices, they'll show you on the bottom. We can see your current portal user count here. In this case, is 9, and you can click this icon to view and modify portal users. You'll also see on the right hand side the network status. If there's ever any outage or anything else, we'd post notifications here, and you can click the icon to actually view further information, if you need to, by going to our status page. Now, if you are a partner of ours, you'll also see a list of all customers that you also have partner access for. This allows you to use your single login to access multiple clients, and assist them with their issues as well.